Today welcome to our
and today we're making This is Jasmine Belle. Today we are making cupcakes.
welcome to our new YouTube channel. We're on the coronavirus is going a bit crazy, and so we're stuck at home. So today we're going to be making a Hot Wheel track down up our stairs. Let's get started.
First we need to make a cupcake.
We're going to be using our Hot Wheels, but we don't have enough, so we're going to be using some cardboard. We have lots of different cars that we're going to show you. And yeah. So we have lots of pieces.
Today we just is this, and then get cardboard, and then use the scrap, and then let's wag it around like this, and wag it. Then put it over there.
So we're going to pull out some cars and show you guys. This is a bluey color with some yellow.
This is a bluey
stuff.
This is stained one, and it gets gay. It's stained to the thing.
This is a lovely car. It's a blue car again, and it's got a purple stripes on the side.
And look, everyone, it's got stars and yellow and black underneath. And put it right there. Let's zoom on here.
This is a purple car. It's got orange windows and a silver engine that sticks up.
Like a toe. I have an orange car. Says day is done it. You know? This day is an orange car day.
This is a Scooby-Doo truck. It's got orange seats inside.
And that one's two ovens. White, logo white on it, and logo ovens in yellow.
And this is a Ghostbusters Hot Wheel car with some green windows and a door that opens. It doesn't open, but on the back. And you can jump in the side because there's no door.
It's a Ghostbuster car. Yeah.
Hello, we're going to use this cardboard because we don't have enough of these pieces. We're going to do some very good folding with this thing.
First, I need to grab a car.
So this is our cardboard. It's going to come down here, and then it's going to get narrower, and then it's going to run on here. So far, it's working very good.
Scissors, and then they hit the wall.
We have made our track. It looks great. Belle has two, and Jasmine has two. Let's get started. over there, down there. Oh no, all the cones got knocked over.
And the red one was that. The blue one knocked over.
Yeah, they all got knocked over. Our track is complete. We've tried it out. It worked great. But some of the cars got a bit stuck, but that was okay. If you don't have enough of these, always use cardboard or anything laying around your house. Bye, everyone. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. Bye.